Hi lovelies, welcome back. On 31st, we went to a new cash and carry which was open in our area, and this tall crown is there to welcome each and every guest. And there was also lightning out there. They are offering 15% off on sale of first 10 days, so it is valid till 10 February. Here you can find the funky and colorful kids stationery, and it will also include their schools and accessories. Plus they have a funky alphabetical games as well, and you will also find the vases and great range of flower out there, and there will also some wooden table and trolleys. And you can also spot some neutral color lamps out there which will go with all kinds of decoration. Wide range of corner lamps are also available out there, and you can also find the artificial plant of your choice at there which can add the fashion statement at your drawing room and other decorative area. At basement you will find all the grocery items. They have incredibly cute variety of cupcake plates which I totally admire, and they also have some gold and silver decoration piece which are really going to add a fashion statement in your center table and other table as well. 15% sale is also available on Maybelline and L'Oreal products as well. So if you want to avail, you can. Here you can see the more variety of cupcake plates, simple plates which you can put at the center of your table, and desserts plate as well. And I really like this cupcake plate. Huge variety of vases are also there, so you can spot your favorite one out of these. Here you can get the more focused view of gold and silver decoration pieces which you can put at center of your table and other tables as well. It will give quite a unique and vintage look to your room. Here you can see the cute spices storage jars which look quite nice and elegant. It is made up of crystal or glass, and here you can see the variety of saucepans. For little girls, cute dolls and their other playhouse items like their cooking range and other things are also available out. Next day I've thought to try the sachet of this golden peel off mask. So it's for 100 rupees. It has quite a huge amount and you can use it twice. So let's open this mask with the help of scissor, and later on I'm going to put all this mask on my face, and you can put a double layer or a single thin layer on your face depending upon the time, and you have to wait for 15 minutes at least to let it dry. First I have put a very thin layer of this mask. Later on I thought that I should make it little thicker because it will be easier for me to peel off later. Then I took more mask and applied it on my face as a second layer. After applying it properly, I let it dry for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes it dried up well, and it's like quite hard for me to peel off. Here you can see the cute white rabbits which are extremely cute, and there was also a ton of variety in birds and deers also, and I also took a photo of some peacocks which also look very nice. Later on 2nd, we went to see the latest trend in fancy dresses. So you can see this green lehenga that will look quite nice, and there was a huge variety of peplum and frock as well which are quite in vibrant and bright color. So if you are interested, you can see them. With the royal blue frock was look also very nice, and you can see the other heavy. They also have Banarsi lehenga and threadwork lehengas that will look quite nice and fancy. This bright orange choli has a golden work which looks quite elegant, and you can also see this yellow choli which has a golden work as well, and you can see these in our was quite trendy nowadays. Here I'm going to end my vlog with a little bit of violin music, and hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.